Hello everyone, welcome to the Product Slider Pro plugin video tutorial series. Today I am going to show you how to display WooCommerce specific products. Make sure that Product Slider Pro plugin is installed and activated into your site. You can directly click on Add New, or you can click all sliders and then click Add New to create a new shortcode and give it a title. Below that you will find several configuration tabs to create and customize your product showcase. WooCommerce products can be filtered in so many ways. Sometimes you may want to choose a few specific products which belongs to multiple categories. Filter by categories will not meet your needs. That means you need to be able to choose specific products. Under the general settings, the first option you get is filter products. There are 18 different filtering options available for you. In this video, we are going to talk about the process of filtering specific products. First, select filter product as specific. Below that, you will find the option to choose your desired products by typing the name of the product. Click Show Preview, and you can see only the chosen products are showing in the slider. You can display the products in a grid, Masonry and table layout as well. Moreover, there are tons of customization properties to give your product show an elegant look. Watch the other videos to learn more about the customization properties. Now publish the shortcode and go to a page where you want to display it. Insert the shortcode using the Product Slider Pro Gutenberg block. Select the shortcode and you will get a preview of it. Publish the page and view it. You can see how beautifully the specific products are showing in the web pages. I hope you have got a clear idea about it. In the next video, I'll come up with another amazing feature of the plugin. Until then, take care.